In this video, I'll show you how you can redirect your Squarespace domain to another website. So what you need to do once you're on squarespace.com is just make sure you're logged in. And then once you're logged in, click on the three dots and go ahead and go to your profile icon and go ahead and go to your domain. So once you're on your domain, you'll see what your domain you have available. Go ahead and click on the one that you want to redirect and then head over to website. So on the left here, you'll see a list of some options. You want to click on website and then scroll down and go to domain forwarding rules. From here, you can click add rule and you can forward from your domain to another domain. So if you want to just forward your root domain, which is going to be like your default domain, go ahead and just click here and type it. This will delete any Squarespace record. So if you want to have your Squarespace domain set up with a Squarespace store, is going to delete those records and unlink it. But now you've typed in and you can then add a URL to forward your domain to. I'm just going to forward my domain just to YouTube. So here is the domain. I want to forward it to youtube.com, and there are some advanced settings which you can look over as well. But for this basic tutorial, we're not going to cover those which you enters in your domain. Click save and then there you go. Your domain forwarding rule has been created, and now this is pending and it should begin within 24 to 48 hours. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.